Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, let's return to the discussion of our potential pullback on the euro currency that we have expected during the whole week almost. Well, probably this is it. So at least the current price action on the intraday charts on the daily time frame suggests and looks better than yesterday. And here we see at least some sort of the hint of the potential move to the upside, because maybe this is not very good looking pattern, but this is still the bullish engulfing. So you can see yesterday price action was greater than the previous one, and that is Y candle. Although I prefer to see candles with the minimum shadows, but here we do not have such kind of pattern, but still this is the bullish engulfing, and that is the pattern. Okay, well, that is what about daily time frame. We see that market stands at support, 50% support of this swing to the upside, swing of the potential bread and butter trade. Let's call it that way, although it's not perfectly the bread and butter already. And that is also the weekly pivot support 1, although I do not have it on this chart, but I suppose that you remember here is also stands the weekly pivot support 1. So you can see market has started some pullback to the upside. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? Market still hasn't hit the 100% extension, and yesterday I have told that I do not feel very comfortable when this happened on the market. Well, I do not want to say that market has to reach this area. It's not necessarily should happen, but I think that if you intend to enter in the long side of the market, you probably should take into consideration this possibility. Although maybe that currently it's not very probable, but still it's better to do this. And if you would like to place the order and you trade on the daily time frame, well, it's probably better to place it somewhere below the 100% extension. It's very difficult to predict how market will act. Although yes, we see some hints, some real acceleration on the hourly time frame, as we will see a bit later. But still, that could happen, and from that standpoint it's better to buy some insurance for that event. If you will enter on the market and market will continue to move to the upside, you will have a lot of time to move your stop to the break even. But initially it's better to anticipate this possibility. Trend has turned bullish, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame. Well, I would be absolutely happy if market will show the swing to the upside is greater than the previous swing to the downside. That will be in fact the final confirmation that market is ready to continue move to the upside. But if this will happen, the market probably will stand very close to the minimum target of this pattern on the daily time frame, because the target will stand approximately 130.40. It's right here. Okay, the most interesting picture now on the hourly time frame. What do we have here? First of all, take a look. Let's discuss the targets. The minimum target of this trade is the 618 resistance, the whole swing to the downside. As I said, this is around 130.40 area. Also take a look that is the weekly pivot point. It's 130.17. That stands very close to this target, and if I do not mistake, the weekly pivot point hasn't been traded yet. Since here we see the 21st of September, that was the Friday, okay, and later market hasn't hit this area. That is the second moment. The third moment, take a look at this butterfly, although as we said it's not very good looking pattern. Still, if we will take a look at the 1618 extension of the whole butterfly swing and we'll calculate the ultimate target of the butterfly, we will get 1618 extensions, approximately 130.50 area. So you can see 3 different kind of resistance and target stands approximately in the same area. That will be the minimum destination point of the potential move to the upside. Now, what we see here with this yesterday's price action. Here we see the very significant moment that we could call as the Russian rinse. For those of you who do not want, who doesn't know what this pattern means, that is a great example. So you can see market has formed the low, start move to the upside, later returns right back, clear out the low, taking out the stops of those who entered long right from this area, and returns right back, continue move to the upside. That's why it's called the Russian rinse. That is the bullish pattern and very often could be used as the confirmation of the potential start move to the upside. Now take a look how thrust is developing here. This is not the same as here. So you can see this is some sort of the gradual chirpy price action, but here we see some signs of the thrust, signs of the acceleration to the upside. That is what we would like to see when we expect some move to the upside on the hourly time frame. Also we see the breakout of this wedge as well. So a lot of different bullish signs on the market currently. Well, if you didn't enter with the butterfly pattern in this area of 161 extension as we suggested, you still will have the chance, since probably I suppose that market will show some pullback here. This will be some retracement. Since market noted oversold and overbought on the daily time frame, it's probably used the minimum retracement area. It's around 129 fib support right here. Also take a look that this is the previous swing high, so that will be the support. When the market will show this pullback, you probably could try to enter on the long side of the market with the placing stops at minimum below the bullish engulfing pattern on the daily. But as I said, probably it's better even to place it below the 100% extension of this ABCD pattern. Although currently, I suppose that the probability that the market will hit it is not very significant. Well, when the market will start acceleration to the upside, you probably could move your stop to the previous or manage your position as you usually do it. So that's been said, currently I suppose that there are much better signs of the potential starting retracement to the upside than it was previously within the whole week, since that is in fact the first day when we see the nice acceleration. Another confirmation with the Russian rinse and breakout of the wedge pattern. Well, so probably this is it. And at the same time, as I said, it's better to anticipate and foresee the possibility of hitting 100% extension target, although I suppose that the probability of this event is very small, and market probably will continue to move to the upside with some pullback to the 129 area. So if you have entered long with this butterfly, you could keep the position. If you have no position yet, you probably will get the chance around 129 area. Again, minimum target of this move will be around 130-40 area. What will happen next? It's very difficult to predict. Market could continue to move to the upside, since bread and butter trades very often becomes the continuation pattern. Well, but that we will discuss already on the next week.